Hello, David here, and I don't have a project for today. What I have is an appeal to the small appliance repair technicians and vacuum cleaner repair technicians to help me find some used parts. The parts for my vacuum cleaner are no longer made, they are discontinued. This is from a Bissell model 16N5 or 16N5K. Parts from both those upright vacuum cleaners will fit. I've made videos on maintenance of this vacuum cleaner. I also did another video on repair of this vacuum cleaner, and I'll put links up at the top of this video. I know a lot of people drop off their equipment for repair and then they don't want them back when they find out the parts cost more than a replacement vacuum. They could buy a new vacuum for the same amount of money, or they find out parts are not available and they just leave them at the shop. Please don't toss those vacuum cleaners away. Save those parts for me. I'm begging you. I cannot find this part anywhere. It's a great vacuum cleaner. I love it. But the vacuum cleaner fell, and this is the weak part of the Bissell vacuum cleaner. That handle doesn't have a lot of strength. So this is what I need, and I'd very much appreciate it if you could find it in your heart to cannibalize this part for me anywhere in the country. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Bye now.